Alright, in this video we're going to be removing the inner tail light on the trunk lid. And this is a 2013 BMW 3 Series. So we already kind of took apart the trunk lid. You would have to remove the covering. There's going to be like this carpet cover. There's going to be some clips holding it, so you just got to remove that. So once you remove that, you just have to unplug the tail light. And if you're just changing light bulbs on a tail light, you just remove this piece. You don't have to remove the whole tail light. So you see what I'm pressing, these two, and this thing drops. Okay, so these are your bulbs. But if you're removing the housing, it's kind of tricky. Nobody really explains how to do it properly, and everybody that removes them, they keep breaking them. So I'll show you how to do it right now. So you have to remove this 10mm nut. It's holding the bracket. Okay, you could leave the bracket in there. You don't need to take it off at the moment. So what you do is you're gonna have to press on this bolt, and you have to lift the inner tail light first. There's going to be a bracket on this. I'll show you how to do it right now. And one important thing is make sure you're wearing gloves, because when this will pop out the tail light, your hands are going to basically get torn up, something like this. So if you don't want that, put on gloves and be really careful with that. So this is on the outer. Let me show you this. And a lot of people break these. So when you're pressing on this, you're basically lifting this side of the tail light like this, and it pops out at that angle. But if you're gonna start picking at it from the outer, you're gonna most likely break that the bracket that I just showed you. So this is it.